Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to repair Toyota Corolla side mirror. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid short circuits. Remove the interior door panel clips carefully to access the mirror mount. Unplug the mirror wiring harness and loosen mounting bolts. Inspect for broken clips or seized adjuster motor and replace faulty parts. Reassemble in reverse order and test electrical functions before finishing. Begin by lowering the glass a little to reach fasteners without forcing the mechanism. Pry off the interior sail panel gently to expose mounting bolts and the wiring plug. Hold the mirror firmly with one hand as you remove the last bolt to prevent dropping it. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the lock tab and pulling straight out. Set the old mirror aside on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Match the replacement assembly to the original by checking connector shape and bolt spacing for a precise fit. Replace any broken plastic clips and lubricate pivot points lightly to restore smooth motion. Reconnect the wiring harness and test the mirror motor, heater, and turn indicator if equipped. Tighten the mounting bolts to manufacturer torque or snug fit and reinstall the interior trim carefully to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.